Forecast. Here's KATC Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, the heat's going to be on this weekend, but it will be summer after all, officially on the astronomical calendar going into tomorrow afternoon. And it looks like typical summer weekend ahead for us. A few more afternoon storms Sunday. Then next week, get ready. We're going to have lots of clouds and very good daytime showers and thunderstorm chances. So be ready for that. Now, this afternoon, the big thing that we're watching is all the big storms across Oklahoma and along the dry line in West Texas. Those storms erupting, the threat of severe weather there, but that is not going to impact us. Whatever's in the Gulf is going to impact us, and we are seeing a little bit more moisture in southeast Texas. That trend will continue through tomorrow, and then some of that moisture works its way eastward into our area as we get into Sunday, translating into a better chance of afternoon showers and storms Sunday, but rain chance Sunday no higher than 30% at this point for Acadiana, higher off to the west. As for the tropics, not a whole lot going on. This is an upper level feature here. The dust is really shutting things down across most of the Atlantic, and that dust just about reaching the eastern Caribbean and is impacting a little bit of a tropical wave here that's approaching the eastern Caribbean. There's upper level shear here, but watch this area as we switch it over to the European model. There's that moisture surge with that tropical wave, and then we put things in motion. We see that wave moving towards Central America, the northern fringe of it breaking off and maybe heading toward the Yucatan. Meanwhile, for us, we go from areas of blue to areas of yellow and orange, so that means moisture is on the increase. And then we get into the middle part of next weekend. Deep tropical moisture will pool along the Texas coastline, eastern Texas, where there could be the threat of some pretty heavy rainfall, and then that moisture moves northward, and eventually we get socked with it as well. We're on the line. You know, you can see this drier air not too far away. If the models are 100 miles off this way, it's a different story. 100 miles off that way, we're going to see a lot more rain. So something that we'll be watching as we go through next week. And then by next weekend, drier air moving back in, and with that is going to be that African dusk we've been talking about over the last several days. As for rainfall, here's the European model, and again, not an official forecast, but a guide, and the numbers 8 to 10 inches have been quite common here over the last couple of days. So the threat of flooding mainly to the west of us, but we'll have to watch it here locally, as we could see 1 or 2 days where we see some pretty heavy downpours, especially Wednesday, Thursday of next week. Tomorrow, a dry day, rain chances scant to none, and then as we head into Sunday, we'll see a few more showers popping up, moving from the southwest to the northeast for the latter part of the afternoon. 71 your low tonight, so a nice start to the weekend. Fair skies, those winds go calm, so enjoy the breeze early. Hot start to summer, that summer solstice at 4:43 p.m. A nice afternoon breeze, though, will take the edge off that heat a little bit. 93 the high, 91 on Sunday, and then plenty of 80s next week as rain chances ramp up, and we'll see a good chance of showers and storms, especially for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week. That's it for weather. Now back over to the break, and we'll see Marcel in a bit.